So, what disorderly conduct will you be committing today, Mitt Romney?
I'm gonna go chase after a doggy.
Put your mask on so it doesn't know your identity and report you to the police. Okay. Since you can't see, I'll open the gate for you. Okay. I'll go prepare the beast. Hey, Baker. Oh, there's the dog. There's the dog. Do you see a horse? Do you see Mitt Romney? Do you see Mitt Romney? Do you see him? He's not even attacking you or anything. Here he comes. Hey, go get him, Baker. Go get him. Not Jacob. Go get Mitt Romney. Go get Mitt Romney. Go get Mitt Romney, Baker. Come on.
Come on, puppy.
Go up there. Go chase after him. Mitt Romney, chase him. Yeah, he's gonna chuck his log at you. Go chase him, Cameron. Oh, are you gonna do something? Because Mitt Romney is on our property, committing disorderly conduct. Oh, here he comes! Here he comes!
He's committing suicide! God, that's like his only safe zone.
If you jump out the back, it confuses him. Oh, he's just gonna guard. He's just gonna guard.
God, this is so funny, dude.
Help will not come. Hey, Baker. Oh, crap! Oh, crap! Oh, crap! Oh, crap. Hey, go kill Mitt Romney. Go kill Mitt Romney with a giant stick.
Jay, let's get out of here. Jay, let's get out of here. Let's go.
Go kill Mitt Romney. Whoa.
Jay, get him away from me.
Let's see some action.
Jay! Jay! Jay, let's get out. We'll be stuck here.